You're using Raycast wrong and missing out on the most powerful keyboard shortcuts that could transform your Mac productivity forever. Most Mac users barely scratch the surface of what Raycast can do, but I'm about to show you 8 game-changing keyboard shortcuts that will make you feel like you have superpowers. Here's the problem. You're probably still using Spotlight Search, clicking through Finder windows, or worse, manually opening applications one by one. Meanwhile, power users are flying through their workflows with lightning speed using Raycast's hidden keyboard combinations that Apple doesn't want you to know about. Let's start with the foundation. First, if you haven't installed Raycast yet, head to raycast.com and download it. According to Raycast's official documentation updated in December 2024, over 2 million Mac users have already made the switch from Spotlight. Once installed, open Raycast Preferences and set your primary hotkey. I recommend Command Space, replacing Spotlight entirely. Second, enable the Clipboard History extension. This is crucial because we're going to unlock clipboard shortcuts that will blow your mind. Navigate to the Extensions tab in Raycast Preferences and search for Clipboard History. Install it immediately. Third, set up your first custom alias. In the Commands section, find any frequently used app like Slack or Chrome. Click the gear icon next to it and create a single-letter alias. I use S4 Slack and C4 Chrome. This turns a 5-keystroke process into just 3 keystrokes. If you're finding this valuable, hit that subscribe button. We post tech tutorials daily and you don't want to miss our upcoming Raycast Advanced Workflows series. Now here's where things get insane. Fourth shortcut, Command K while Raycast is open becomes your universal action menu. Open any file, folder, or application result, then hit Command K. You'll see contextual actions you never knew existed. For applications, you can quit, hide, or force quit. For files, you can copy path, reveal in Finder, or open with specific apps. Fifth, and this is huge, Command Comma opens quick actions on any selected text or file. Select text anywhere on your Mac, trigger Raycast, and you'll see options to translate, encode, hash, or search that text instantly. Per Raycast's latest feature update, this works system-wide across every application. Sixth shortcut will change how you handle Windows forever. Install the Window Management extension, then set custom shortcuts for window positioning. I use Option Command left arrow to snap windows left, Option Command right arrow for right, and Option Command up arrow to maximize. The Raycast Window Management extension gives you pixel-perfect control that beats rectangle or magnet. Seventh, this is the productivity killer nobody talks about. Command-Shift-Enter in any Raycast result opens it in the background without switching focus. Researching something while writing? Search for information, Command-Shift-Enter to open tabs in the background, and keep typing in your current application. According to productivity expert Workflows documented in 2024, this single shortcut can save 20 minutes per day for knowledge workers. Eighth shortcut is the ultimate power move. Set up the Script Commands extension and create custom shortcuts for your unique workflows. Navigate to Extensions, install Script Commands, and you can trigger any shell command, AppleScript, or automation with a keyboard shortcut. I have shortcuts that instantly start my podcast recording setup, clear all desktop files to a folder, and export my current project to specific cloud storage locations. But here's the pro tip that separates beginners from experts. Master the Tab key for result navigation and Shift Tab for reverse navigation. While Raycast is open, Tab moves through categories: Applications, Preferences, Files, Commands. Within each category, arrow keys navigate specific results. This creates a completely mouse-free workflow that's faster than any clicking. Another advanced technique, use Command 1 through Command 9 to jump directly to specific result positions. See the perfect file in position 3? Command 3 opens it instantly. This works across all Raycast result types and becomes muscle memory within days. The final pro tip involves result actions. Every Raycast result has hidden secondary actions. Instead of just pressing Enter, try Command Enter, Option Enter, or Shift Enter on different result types. Files open in different applications, websites open in private browsing, and applications launch with specific parameters. The Raycast team documented over 50 contextual actions in their latest user guide. Here's what most people miss about Raycast keyboard shortcuts. It's not just about speed, it's about maintaining flow state. Every time you reach for your mouse or trackpad, you break concentration. These keyboard shortcuts keep your hands positioned for typing and your mind focused on the work, not the tools. The compound effect is incredible. Save 3 seconds per application launch, multiply by 50 launches per day, and you've reclaimed 2.5 minutes daily. Over a year, that's 15 hours of productivity returned to your life. Remember, at Tech Navigator Pro, we help you navigate your tech journey with confidence. These Raycast shortcuts aren't just features, they're your pathway to Mac mastery. Subscribe for more advanced tutorials, and drop a comment telling me which shortcut transformed your workflow the most. Your productivity revolution starts now.